fine and pleasant morning to all of you. Carried with care, coated with pride, dipped in laugh, fly in glory, moments of freedom in shade of joy. Proud to be an Indian. Let us enjoy the free spirit of India and with great enthusiasm, let us celebrate the 75th Independence Day. A very happy Independence Day.
Flag hoisting. Every citizen of a country has the utmost respect and patriotic feeling towards his or her country, especially our national flag. So let us pay tribute to our great freedom fighters as we hoist our national flag followed by the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Indian Pledge is an oath that reminds us and makes us aware of our duties and responsibilities towards our nation. Same way, Preamble plays an important role in shaping the destiny of the country. It is the soul of Indian Constitution. So we have Joe and Sujal with the Pledge and Preamble.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Prayer is the symbol of hope and faith in God's mercy and miracles. Prayers are powerful. A heartfelt prayer to God can affect things in a very positive way. In times of this pandemic, where the world is under a major health and financial crisis, let's all pray to our Almighty to heal and bless our people, our country and the whole world. Praying and thanking God unitedly makes us hopeful that God shall bless us with good times. So, I request everyone to join in the prayer service.
The sword of revolution is sharpened on the whetstone of ideas. India's 75th Independence Day is an achievement in itself where it has progressed herself by extending its helping hands towards the world by the success of COVID vaccine and reaching out to the needy, the unprivileged ones through the selfless efforts of the COVID warriors. On this auspicious day, let's welcome our very own beloved teacher, Mrs. Meenakshi Mishalkar, to enhance the essence of the celebration by sharing with us her
Freedom
words
in
of
mind,
wisdom.
faith in words, pride in our hearts, memories in our souls. Let's salute the nation as we celebrate the Independence Day. Good morning to one and all. Honorable sisters, dear teachers, parents, and my loving students. It's indeed a great pleasure to take this opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. There are decades of sacrifices and struggles behind all of that. The land on which we breathe upon is all thanks to our great leaders. Let us value it and promise to make our nation a healthy and prosperous one. It is our duty to preserve the freedom we got. It is our responsibility to hand over a better India to the coming generations. The nation is indebted to doctors, nurses, and other health workers who have been continuously on the forefront of our fight against the pandemic. They are our national heroes. All our corona warriors deserve high praise. These are difficult times for all of us, mainly for our youth. However, they won't last for long. The patience and wisdom shown by all of us in coping with the pandemic has been appreciated all over the world. We are confident that we will continue to maintain caution and act responsibly. With this spirit, I offer a prayer for the well-being of one and all. May all be happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one come to grief. The message of this prayer for universal well-being is India's unique gift to humanity. I once again congratulate all of you on the eve of this Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Today, we are living freely because many sacrificed their lives for the sake of our country. Salute to the great soul. Yes, dear friends, let us relive the spirit of patriotism.
हमारा
A country's greatness lies in its undying ideals of love and sacrifice that inspires all generations. Patriotism consists not in waving the flag, but in striving that our country shall be righteous and strong. Let us listen to Shariba as she presents the importance of this day.
Dear citizens, I convey my heartiest greetings to you all on the 75th Independence Day. Today, we are here to celebrate Independence Day. 15th August holds an everlasting place in our national memory and commands the respect of every Indian. Our nation has gone through many difficult times, including wars, and have emerged secure and victorious. Today, we are collectively facing a COVID-19 pandemic threat that has created global health crisis and has had a deep impact on our lives. These are difficult times and we must join our hands in a common endeavor with a strong belief that better days are ahead of us. Together we are tackling this pandemic and we have been able to sustain during these times. It is rightly said that unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. And we have proved this by coming together irrespective of caste, creed, religion, etc. I want to reassure you that if we remain united, resolute and responsible, then we will be able to overcome it. The clarion call given by the Honorable Prime Minister Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan has been marching forward with the aim of making the country independent against the tough competition in the global supply chain and to help in empowering the poor, laborers, migrants who have been adversely affected by lockdown. It will be unfair not to mention the hard work and dedication of our true Corona warriors who have been at the forefront fighting this pandemic and coming forward voluntarily to extend their helping hands. Amid these crises, our officials have been dedicated in performing their duties and assured that life in this vibrant city does not come to halt. I would like to express my gratitude to all doctors, nurses, health workers, etc. for standing strong and shielding us throughout this pandemic. Our selfless contribution and tireless efforts have helped in averting a serious threat that is yet far from over. The teachers have smoothly shifted to online teaching during this pandemic so that the learning of students is not disrupted. Complacency in respect of a global pandemic like Corona is not a fitting approach. Therefore, I urge the citizens of India to remain alert and cautious. Determination and patience are two key factors that can help us in combating this global threat. Stay safe and cautious. Jai Hind.
John Milton said, "Gratitude bestows reverence," changing forever how we experience life and the world. Wear gratitude like a cloak, and it will feed every corner of your life. Here is Manaswi Kaude to propose the vote of thanks.
As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. A cheerful good morning to one and all. I, Manaswi Kaude, feel highly privileged to propose the vote of thanks. First and foremost, I thank God Almighty for gifting us with an independent nation. Today, every Indian heart is filled with gratitude for all those heroes who sacrificed their lives to give us an independent morning. In a special way, we owe our sincere thanks to our COVID warriors who are tirelessly working to help those who have fallen a prey to this pandemic. They have lived by their commitments. God bless them and their families for their selfless service. In a special way, I am thankful to Mrs. Meenakshi Masarkar for gracing the occasion and hoisting the tricolor. I extend my earnest gratitude to our respected manager, Sister Nora, Headmistress, Sister Cynthia, Assistant Headmistress Sister Jeannie, and Supervisor Sir Hafiz, who gave us this opportunity to commemorate this great day of Indian history. My special words of appreciation to all the Blue Hubs teachers for their efforts to bring out the best of the participants as they showcase a fantastic performance. I extend my gratitude to the teaching and non-teaching staff for their support. Last but not the least, a big thank you to all the participants and our viewer friends who made this program a grand success. Thank you and happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind.